Alright, so let's rip this engine out, shall we? With the front bar off and the OTR out, I've got the oil drain in. Next up, I'll disconnect the transmission cool lines and drop the coolant, then remove the radiator. Spark plug leads have been removed, as well as the extractors. The alternator is out. The aircon compressor is off the engine and to the side. Next up will be removing the bell housing bolts. And most of the engine wiring harness has been disconnected.
seen from this video, we've got the engine pulled out and partially torn down. I just want to say a big thank you to my dad and Josh for all their help. Also big thanks to Nick for the loan of his engine crane. The bottom end has been sent over to Speedworks in Ringwood, where they're going to check over everything, open up the ring gap, install the new cam and dial it in. The heads have also been sent over to Higgins to be CNC ported and have them work their magic. In the next video, I'll be assembling the engine back together. I hope you enjoyed watching this one, and thanks for watching.